Kisamla shong di dukan madan ni ki hawkers hak arp sautrik nailar kila penpau ya ka jingbitar ka bajur ya ki bor penya district bat ka Shillong Municipal Board habi dei ba ka jinglei khanra na phang ya ki dukan di madan hak keleng ki benta jong ka nong ba Shillong khamtam khandailat klem dala apat ban ai bujli da ki kam badru kila berthen ba ka sarkar ka dei ban sange mardor ban sha apli dukan harut surok shekibar jala Habe keren bigila pathai ku board kini ki samla kila penpau ka jingbitar ya ka board penya district bat municipal board ya ka jingle bom sit nyau ka jongki khamtam ka baki khana samla ki mat bat ikendo kini ki samla kila ong ba ka jingle ka sarkar kala long kum ka lenti ban penduk mensiemeki bakin kamai jakpo da ka bakin yeng halaki jongki kijat.
Some few days back, an incident happened to us that around about 8 o'clock, 8:15, we're selling food in Police Bazaar area. A group of people belonging from municipal board plus Muda plus police came to us directly and taking our things away, and that too we felt treated like we are criminals. I felt like I was a criminal being chased by police and cops. So what we believe is that couldn't it be that could we solve it by just talking in a civil manner? We are criminals of selling food. Is selling food crime? I'll ask everyone the same question. If selling food is a crime, then I should say, what else do I do? Another problem which will arise, especially with selling food in PB, any problem which arises in PB, any disputes between any 2 or 3 parties, most of the problem we always put into blame that it's because of these shops in Police Bazaar that this problem has arisen. 2 people fight among themselves, or because these shops are there, that's why this problem arises. And next thing is that we always put these dustbins and for cleaning and all that. We do our cleaning by ourselves. We put dustbins, and while we sell food, we make it a point that we clean the area. We put the dustbins and all that. We also did this what we call a cleaning drive also recently. We did in Police Bazaar area. So these are the problems which we are facing. So we feel like it's very difficult for us now. We're not being able to operate business properly. Before we used to operate business from 5:30, there's no problem. Now they say that we're not supposed to operate business till 8 o'clock, and 8 o'clock most of the crowd was dead. So what would we do? We don't have any other solution. We try to approach certain areas, but I will not mention the name, whose name we approach, or whoever person. That person will know whom we have approached, but the response is very, very low, that we will not be able to give you permission. So now, since the government is not finding any solutions to the problem, let us give the solution to the problem. First solution is that anyone who is not a Meghalaya resident should not be permitted to conduct business in the street, and this is a very strong thing, because we cannot allow anyone from other states coming and taking our jobs away. As it is, we already have a number of unemployment crisis, encouraging other people and from other states coming to our state. In that way, we're going to lose a lot of employment.